Welcome to the Money Mindset YouTube channel. Define your financial goals. Before starting to budget, it's important to have clarity about your financial goals. This may include saving for a trip, a new car, an emergency fund, or retirement. Make a list of all your expenses. Make a list of all your monthly expenses, including fixed bills, such as rent, electricity, water, internet, variable expenses, such as groceries, gas, and discretionary expenses, such as entertainment, dining out. Make a list of all your income. Make a list of all your monthly income, including salary, investment income, and other sources of income. Make a budget. With your expenses and income listed, make a budget for each month, determining how much money you have available to spend in each category. Identify areas where you can cut expenses, analyze your expenses, and see where you can cut costs. This may include things like canceling subscriptions for services you don't use, switching to a cheaper cell phone plan, or cooking at home instead of dining out. Save money. Make a conscious effort to save money each month. This may include putting a specific percentage of your income into a savings account or investing in stocks or bonds. Track your budget and progress. Make sure to track your budget and progress regularly. This will help you identify issues quickly and make adjustments as needed. Be flexible and allow yourself some expenses. Remember to be flexible with your budget. Allow yourself some discretionary expenses, but try to keep these expenses within a set limit.